part 3.
Yeah,
Part 3 of the performance.
Yeah.
So starting now, we're in the St. Louis part of it, and we're in 2 lines.
Yeah.
So depending if you forward or back, we'll be the front people now.
Right
Front
now,
line.
yes, we are the front line.
So we started with on the stomps on the 6 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we did inside turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
One basic.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And then we did skates. 1, 2, 3, down. 1, 2, 3, 4.
8. So the first 4 are really tiny. We're moving a little bit forward. The last 4 we're moving a lot.
Yeah.
We want to move backwards in 2 lines. So we keep the lines, we just move all of it backwards.
Yeah, so if you're in the forward line, you stay forward the whole time and back. Then we do shag kicks, 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're in the front line, then you move forward.
No, if you're
The
in
first one you stay,
if you're in the front line, yes, you stay.
and the
If
back
you're in
ones
the
go
back
forward.
line, you move forward. That's the case for all of it. So we change line position.
Yeah.
So right now, if we are the front line, we stay. The back line catches up on us. Then this line turns into the front line. They stay. We catch up on them.
We have the drawings for you, but it looks like this. So we front line now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and forward. 5, 6, 7, and no moving. Other ones go forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this, we'll move back.
Yeah.
So for this, we are going from a basic into this, so right shoulder to audience for the leads and
Follows
left.
left.
Yeah. And then we are going to the shag kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2,
4,
5, 6, 3, 5, 6, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step, hop, step, hop, step, hop, step, honey. Or exit, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the whole thing to music, don't cut. Entertain them, Dolinda. We'll do from the top.